What's going on, everyone? I am excited to talk to you today on today's presentation. My name is Samuel Richardson. I am your host, and welcome to the Affirmative Talk Show. So, we're going to get right into it, into our topic of conversation. I am definitely partnered with an amazing company by the name of United Wealth Education. So definitely, if you're looking for an opportunity for to know about financial literacy, to know about financial fitness, to know you have opportunity to build or create supplemental income, if you want to know how to build a good network marketing team, if you want to know how to manage your business from home, knowing the importance of credit management, knowing how to work at your own pace, knowing the importance of financial education, building credit, and organizing your family, organizing your finances, and last but not least, knowing how to protect your family. So I'm super excited to get right into this presentation with you. So, first off, welcome to United Wealth Education. We are a leading financial education company in our industry that provides an array of services to help families meet each of their financial goals. Now, our mission is to help the 84 million families across the nation to utilize each of our partnered services to improve your financial situations. So here at UWE, we like to keep it very simple so that way it's not complicated to you at all. This is how the entire process works. First, you begin the journey by getting started with the financial services you need help with. Second, as you learn and benefit from the services, you refer the services to our partner company, which is UCES, United Credit Education Services, and receive compensation from United Wealth Educations through a multitude of ways. So you may be asking yourself, who is our partner? It is UCES, United Credit Education Services. So here are some things or some positive things to know about our partner, UCES. They have over 18 years in financial service industry. Their products and services are designed to help families across the country. They leading by example as a completely debt-free company. Yes, debt-free. Now, with a dedicated and consistent management team that they have during certain business hours, Monday through Friday. But I want to actually lay down a couple of ground bullet points for you. Now, did you know that 1.4 million people identified theft claims were made in 2020? 14.6 trillion in American household debt is reported, and this was reported back in 2021, just last year. 64% of Americans are expected to retire with less, let me emphasize this, with less than $10,000 in their retirement savings account. That's just amazing. Now, did you know that 60% of Americans lack a will or estate planning? In just one decade, student loan balances have jumped over 150%. 54% of Americans don't even know what their credit score is. So you may be wondering, how is your credit score calculated? We have a breakdown right here, as you can see on our screen, is that 35% is accumulated for your payment history, which means on time payments versus delinquencies. And the last 24 months are the most important. 30% is based off on your credit utilization. That is the percentage of credit limits that is available to you. Now, 15% is related to the length of credit, how long you've had your accounts. Another 10% is basically calculated for the new credit inquiries, which means the number of inquiries and new accounts opened in the last 12 to 18 months. And last but not least, another 10% is based off on the types of credit, which is your installment loans versus your revolving. Okay. Now, let me give you a breakdown analysis here. Now, bad credit versus good credit when it comes to purchasing a home. And you may be watching me right now and you may be looking to actual purchase a home, but you need some help with your credit so that way it can set you up to get the best actual rates that you can possibly get, okay? To help save some money. Now, if you're trying to look for the purchase a home with 200 that is worth $240,000 on a 30-year fixed rate, right? If your credit score is below a 560, let me give you the estimate on what you could be coming out of pocket with when you have a credit score of less than 560. Your monthly payment can range around anywhere from 26.55 monthly, your interest rate around 12.99%. Your total amount paid after all said and done on that 30-year fix, you're paid out $955,621. Now, if your credit score is at a 740 or higher, your monthly expenses will be 1149, which is considerably less if you have a credit score of less than 560 on your monthly mortgage payment. Now, the interest rate is going to be less too as well because your credit score is higher than a 560 and is greater than 740, which your interest rates could be estimated be around 4%. Now, the total amount paid could be anywhere from like an estimate of $413,000. Okay. So, as you can see, the discrepancy, it does go for you well. The higher your credit score is, the better it is going to be for you when purchasing a home. Now, let's go with based off when you need a new car, right? And you're looking to get an auto loan amount of about $20,000 based on a 5-year plan. Now, the difference is if your credit score is at a 560 or below, your interest rate could be anywhere from an estimated of 26%. Your monthly payment being around $600, and your total interest that you have paid will be about $15,929. Now, if your credit score is higher than a 740 or higher, your interest rate could be around 6%. Your monthly payment will be around 387, and your total interest will be about $3,199. So there's about a $212 payment difference, and there's a $12,730 interest difference. So as you can see right here, it definitely is going to help you more when you have a better credit score. Now, bad credit can ruin, I mean, absolutely ruin your family's future. Now, we have a breakdown here. We're talking about your bad credit. Your select loan, mortgage loan amount 250, 253, 435. Your fair credit score, it can range anywhere. If you're at a 580 to 669, you could be about $261,000. Now, if you have a very good credit score, you could have it around 740 to 799. You could talk about your mortgage loan being around $219,660, which means a total interest of $41,416. Now, your credit cards, let's see, far as for the loan amount of $3,668. Now, if you have a fair credit score, you're talking about 6,097. Now, if you have a very good credit score, you're talking about 3,100, which means that the total interest could be 2,995. Now, if you have personal loans around $11,342 and you have a fair credit score between 580 and 669, you're talking about 6325 based off on a very good credit score, which is between 740 and 799, you're talking about 2889. And it goes down far as with the auto loan 25,346. Your fair credit score 7,471. A very good credit score 3625. A total interest of 3846. Now the total interest for personal loan would be about 3436. Last but not least, student loans. How many of us that have student loans? The loan amount of student loan, let's say for an example, 35,208, your fair credit score, that actual amount would be 8640. The very good credit score range would be 3933, and your total interest would be 4707. So now the totaling over about $56,000. So you're talking about when you have bad credit, the more money or extra money that you'll be spending simply because your credit score is not up to par. Now, we like to teach our customers the difference between budgeting versus no budget. Now, across all of 2021, it was found that 65% of Americans had no budget plan in place. Now, savings versus no savings. 1 in 5 Americans didn't save any money in 2021. Now, credit card debt. The average credit card debt per household with monthly carryover balances is about $14,241, with the total in America hitting around $787 billion. The average APR on credit cards is around 17.13%, and 55 million households that have credit card debt are paying that interest. A retirement crisis. Not a lot of people like to talk about the importance of setting yourself up for retirement. Nearly 48% of households headed by someone 55 or older have zero retirement savings. Zero. Now, it is proven with our protection plan with exceptional value for a simple, no nonsense price. These are the things that you're going to be getting with our actual as a customer with us. You're going to be getting a budgeting service. You're going to be getting a credit restoration services. You're going to be getting a credit builder service. We're going to be getting you a credit monitoring service, a debt payoff services. We also are affiliated with YFL Family Mint, where we give scholarships to young students as far as to be able to go to college. We're going to be giving you access for credit attorney, access to a financial lockbox, access to identity monitoring, access to net worth to understand how to build net worth. It's very important. Access to savings goal, access to rocket lawyer. And last but not least, we're going to be giving you access to a will and trust in a My Care plan. Okay. Now, let me break it down for each one of these services, what you're actually getting. Now, with our credit reporting services, you have 3 bureaus credit report pulled on your behalf. Simple, streamlined process with reports available in your account within 48 hours of you being a customer. Professional customer services that's going to be available to you by chat, email, and phone to support you with any question throughout the process as you're a customer with us. Credit monitoring. You're going to be getting all type of alerts that gives important notifications when changes happen to your score when it occurs. You're going to get live ID alerts providing an extra layer of identity protection unauthorized transactions. You're going to be getting an auto score, insurance score, and high risk index to give you a full picture of your credit summary. Now, you're going to be getting a credit analysis. What does that look like? You get all 3 scores and credit analysis on one screen. It creates personalized analysis of your individual situation. It shows you 5 key factors which impact your score and steps to take to improve your score. Now, with the Credit Quick Start, you get the innovative Credit Quick Start that now provides 3B reporting and streamlined credit reporting, credit monitoring, and credit analysis, all on one easy to understand page in your account as a customer. Now, you also have an opportunity if you want to enroll as an agent with us where you can get your services for free. Absolutely. That's what I said. You can get your services for free. All you simply have to do is get 5 families on the services and you get your protection plan free as long as you remain active as an agent with our account. Now, what you do if you decide that you want to actually partner with me and being able to build a team, what would you do as an agent? You simply refer others, and United Wealth Educations help them activate their protection plan services, number one. and focusing on the areas of their needs. Now, I want you to understand as an agent what UWE is going to handle, and you don't have to worry about handling these situations. They're going to handle the credit restoration part. They're also going to handle the technology. They're going to handle the paperwork, and they're going to handle the customer service and much more. All you're simply doing is just refer others to help them activate their protection plan services, right? Now, let me give you a story about referral marketing. This is one example. As you can see over here on the far left, which will probably be your far right, is that I love your services. I definitely want to use them. Okay, cool. Thanks. Versus someone that says, I love your services. I definitely want to use them. And you reply and say, great. Would you be willing to share your experience with someone you know who could benefit from them? This is what you call referral marketing. Now, let's give you another example. I've seen that the protection plan works and was able to help a friend that had the same needs. Based off of the response of that, my friend helped me and I got rewarded too. That's referral marketing, referral marketing. That's happy customers. And when you have happy customers, guess what? You get more business and you get paid for that. Now, referral marketing is deliberately encouraging your customer to tell their friends about you because you actually open them up to an opportunity to help them. Okay. We naturally make referrals because everybody wins in the situation. It's that simple. Now, as an agent, you're going to have an opportunity to earn commissions on every personal sale that you do. Let's say, for an example, you have Tracy at the top, you have Kathy in the middle, and then you have Fred down the bottom. $100, $100, $100, right? You earn $100 for each new protection plan member who signs up at the $89 level. Now, ask yourself the question, what could you do with $300 just simply by referral marketing to friends and family and people who you don't know that needs our services? Now, you get to earn direct residual income. Let me tell you what that looked like. Let's say you enroll 5 people, right? That $12, 5 times 12, that will give you a $60 residual income payout. If you actually referred 10 people, you multiply that times 12, that gives you a $120 residual income payout. If you actually help refer enroll 20 people, you multiply that times 12, and that gives you a payout of $240 residual income payout. Okay. Now you get $12 residual income for each monthly protection plan payment that is paid. Now, you also, as an agent, you're going to be getting what you call a customer acquisition bonus. So your direct residual will be $12 from anywhere from 100 to $560, depending on your title requirements in that specific month. Okay. Now, your indirect residual income could be $3. This is when your downline enrolls a new protection plan member, you will also receive a residual payment based upon your title at that particular time. Now, you also will be getting a wonderful opportunity of an infinity bonus. Now, this is something anywhere ranging from an elite, you get a 0.5%, regional elite, 0.75 infinity bonus, executive elite, 1%, ambassador, 1.5%, regional ambassador, 1.75, executive ambassador, 2%, crown ambassador, 2.25%, Crown Regional Ambassador 2.5%, or Crown Executive Ambassador 2.75%, and the Pinnacle, which is 3%. Now, at UWE, they also provide business funding. And as you can see right here, that's based off on a loan amount of $100,000. The direct commission will be $655 that goes towards you as an agent. Also, level one overrides $155. Level two overrides $135. Level three overrides $115, and so forth, as you can see on that breakdown. So definitely, if you would like to know more about our UWE business funding, you can actually contact me. It's in the caption of this video, where you have my email at samuel@creditpowerfix.com. And you actually have my actual number, which is 478-216-7989. And you can text the word agent to that number, or you can reach out to me by email if you want to know more about the UWE business funding. Now, we provide a complete, I mean, an absolute complete turnkey referral business. Now, you're going to be getting, as an agent, you're going to be getting a personalized agent website, which you don't have to worry about creating one. You're going to be getting professional marketing materials. You're going to be getting live agent and customer support, where you will also be getting weekly pay. And this is for qualified agents. So as long as you keep your account active and you are in compliance, you're getting up to a weekly pay allowance based off on your enrolling of referral customers or agents. Now, you also going to be getting what you call an online back office. You're going to get commissions, rewards, and bonuses, and a life insurance that comes as being a qualified agent with United Wealth Education. Okay. Now, you can take control of your financial future today. Now, as a one-time consultation fee in first month included is $179, and then it's an $89 per month after that, okay? And that is with the $80 with UWE and $9 with UCES. Now, the consultation fee is based off one-time consultation fee of $99 and first month protection plan services of $80, and the credit restoration service fees of $9 will commence beginning with the second month of service. Now, if you would like to become an agent today is just $290, which is a one-time setup fee, which is the first month included, and $89 per month after that. Now, the consultation fee is based off on a one-time enrollment of $199, first month protection plan services, far as of $80, and UWE app fee of $11, and the credit restoration services fees of $9 will commence beginning with the second month of service. Now, if you get the power of five, let me tell you about the power of five. The power of five is when you refer five customers or agents and you qualify to get your next month's services for free, we waive that $89 monthly fee. Okay. So that's important. And here's what our agents that's a part of UWE are saying. We have Alfred Nixon here. It said, change your lives every day is what UWE is all about. We have Adriana Nielsen. She said, I love getting to work with other entrepreneurs, increasing financial literacy and making an impact. You have Kai Destin. He said, I learned everything I needed to know about credit and finances from this company, which is UWE. You have Giselle. She said that the opportunity UWE provided for me was life changing, and I only wish I started sooner. We have Mike. Mike said, being part of this platform show me that anyone can become financially literate if they are disciplined enough to follow a simple system. Last but not least, we have Robin. She said that this company has changed my life and my finances, and I'm now a good steward of my finances. Now, you can start now and take control of your financial future. We have several people that done just that. We have one by the name of Randy said, I love the identity monitoring services, and I know how it feels to have someone jeopardize your livelihood and how hard it is to get everything back on track. We have Kristen that said, thanks to this amazing company's will and trust at an affordable cost, it's a great added benefit. We have Michelle that said, I love this product because it taught me to get out of debt using a proving process. Last but not least, we have Zaris said that I love the credit monitoring tool and the way it supports the credit restoration process. So I want to thank you for your time by joining me on this presentation. And definitely I would like for you to see if you're a part of A and you say that you're not interested in being an agent or a customer, you can just respond by saying A, whether in the comment section, or you can text me, or you can email me, which is all that information is in the caption of this video. If it's B, then put B and say that you're interested in the product. You can text me, you can comment on below on this video, or you can email me at samuel@creditpowerfix.com. And if it's C and you're a person and you say that, you know what, I like the opportunity to be able to create supplemental income. I like the opportunity to build a financial fitness. I like the opportunity to how to build credit. I want to take full advantage and want to hear more about this business. Then I want you to be able to text agent to 478-216-7989, or you can email me at samuel@creditpowerfix.com. And ladies and gentlemen, it's just like that. It's that simple. I really appreciate you taking the opportunity to listen and watch the wonderful opportunity that I have, whether you want to be an agent or a customer. You have all the information and the tools needed to help improve. Now, what I would like to do based off our motto, always strive to be the best version of yourself each and every day. And I want to thank you for the opportunity for me to share this information with you. Take care and always be blessed.